Hey gang, Bobby James here, the Redneck Wino. Today I'm going to show you how to order your personalized wines in just 10 easy steps. So if you're all ready to go, here we go. Step 1. You want to go to www.redneckwino.com. There you'll see a shop button. You want to click on that button, which will take you to the shopping page. Scroll down and on the left hand side you'll see personalized wines. Go ahead and click on that, which will take you to our wide selection of wines. Step 4 is you choose which wine you want and click the Buy Now button. Now on that page you want to select your quantity, your state, and I might mention too you have the option of sending it to a friend or family member, as well as you can refer a friend, and you can even continue shopping if you want to add more to your order. Then you want to click on Create Your Label, which is right above the quantity, and select Logo Only. We're going to show you how to format your picture, and you want to format your image in 900 by 675 pixels in landscape format. If you have a editing program, you can do that yourself. Then the last step is to upload your image by clicking Choose File. Once you have it done, you want to save your work, and then simply just hit the checkout button and follow the prompts. Now here's a short list of what we have available as far as cases and half cases. If you have any questions or need help, you can contact me by phone, by email, or go to pwredneckwino.com and fill out the form. If you need a photo editing program, you can use Inkscape. That's the one I use. You can download it from inkscape.org. And if you'd like to see a demo, just stay tuned, or you can stop the tutorial now. Okay, we're going to do a quick demo on how to use the program Inkscape. This is a program I like to use to make pictures and logos and things like that. It's a pretty simple program to use. Again, it's a free program. You can download it from the internet. So here's the sample picture that we put together for our sample personalized label. And so what I'm going to do is just show you how I did that, and you can use it on your own. First thing you want to do is go to File, go to New. I'm going to open up a new default application here. And as you can see, as you open that up, it defaults to a portrait size document. First thing you want to do is go to File, go to Document Properties, and we're going to change that up. Again, we need it landscape, we need it measured in pixels, and so that defaults to pixels, so we're good with that. But what we want to do is we want to change the width to 900, and we want to change the height to 675. And as you hit enter on that, it automatically changes it to landscape. You'll see there when you close it. Now in order to get this big enough to work with it, the easiest way to do that is to go on up here to the zoom, click on that, and it'll bring it up into the center for you. Now you want to get a picture in there, so you can do that one of two ways. Click on File, go to Import, or you can use the Control command, which is what I like to do. Control I will import for you. What that'll do is that'll open up the folder where you have your picture stored. Go ahead and click on it once, and it will open up this little window. It automatically defaults to embed. That's what you want. Click on OK, and it puts your picture right in there. Okay, now you can move that around anywhere you want. You can also manipulate it by grabbing these arrows and resizing it. That's the easiest thing to do. And get that to the size that you want. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert some text. So what you want to do is come over to this A, click on the A, put it anywhere within your working area here, and you'll notice that the font I'm using is King Things Christmas 2. I like this one. This is a font that I actually installed into the program, and I like it because it is holiday looking font. And when you get done typing there, you can go ahead and grab this arrow that will highlight your object. Again, you can resize it, you can move it around, you can even change the color of the font. You'll notice now it's black. Your colors are down here at the bottom of the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and change that one to red. Then I'm going to insert another text message in there. I'm just going to type from, and before I do anything with that, I'm going to go ahead and change the text. Now you can either use this really long list to find a text, or you can highlight it, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to type V because I want Verdana. So if you type the first letter of the font that you want, it'll highlight whatever font starts with that letter. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back up here and select my object, resize it, and kind of move it around where I want it. Now here's another neat thing you can do. You don't have to reinsert and retype all the time. You can right click and go down and duplicate, or use the Control D, which is what I like to do. So go ahead and click on that. I'm going to move that down. Then I'm going to double click on it to highlight it. I'm going to go ahead and type my name in there. Once again, I'm going to change the font. And again, this is another font that I installed in the program. It's a nice looking script font, and I like it. Also, I'm going to change the color to blue. Go ahead and select the object. I'm going to move it down a little bit, make it a little bigger, what have you. Whatever you want to do with that, you can do that with this program. So I'm going to go back up here to this object again. Control D will duplicate it for me. I'm going to move that down here, and I'm going to change that word to. And again, if you need help, don't hesitate to contact me by phone, select the object, by email, or go to pw.redneckwino.com and fill out the form. I know I'm going very quickly. Good night, all. So if you need to pause, rewind, what have you, you can do that. So I inserted another picture. I'm going to go ahead and drag that down here. Now you'll see that we have something similar to what we did before. Now from here you want to do two things. Go ahead and hit File, Save As, and you're going to save this project twice. And what you're going to do is rename it. We're going to name it Sample. We're going to save it first as an Inkscape SVG. Now what that does is it saves your project just as it is, so you can go in and manipulate the individual objects. Once you save it as a picture, you can't make changes to it. So you want to make sure that you save it as an SVG. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and then I'm going to save it a second time. Save as, only this time I'm going to change it to a Cairo PNG file. That's your picture file. Go ahead and save that. Now once you have your picture file, you can upload that to the website, and you can go ahead and preview it and see what it looks like and make sure that it's the way you want it before you upload it to the website. And that's all there is to it. This is a pretty powerful program. You can do a lot of things with this program, and I suggest that you poke around, Google some tutorials, learn how to use it, and it's a lot of fun. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. So that's how we do that, and hope you have a lot of fun and have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.